In the last movie, I showed you how to create a class, and our class was named dog. I showed you how to use the var keyword to specify properties, right? Variable names that are used inside of the class, okay? And remember, just like JavaScript, okay? Just like JavaScript, but inside of PHP classes, you need the var keyword, okay? And then I showed you how to create um, a new object based on that class called dog, okay? Using the new keyword and the class name. Class names were uppercase. At least they started the first letter. And that's it. So now it's time to add some methods, right? Things that our dog can do, right? So let's just put some comments in here. Properties. These are properties of the standard dog. And let's add in some methods, okay? So what can our dog do? I think the first thing it can do is run. Okay, so just like standard PHP functions, okay, I'm just going to say echo our dog is now running. Okay, 2, 3, and there it is. It's just a normal PHP function inside of our class. Okay, so let's make Fido run. Okay, let's make Fido run. So let's echo. Okay. Actually, we don't need to echo anything, right? We just need to call Fido and then invoke, okay, its run method, open and close parenthesis, right? There it is on line 22, right? The object name, dash greater than, run, open close parenthesis, and there we go. Okay, so let's go into our browser, and now we can see here our dog now is running. Okay, so I should have, right, just put a break at the end here to make it look pretty or handsome. And there it is, okay? And I can do the same thing for George. I can make George run. I can just say, hey, George, okay, run. Okay, I'm on line 26, and I'll save it. I'll refresh. And now our dog is now running, okay? So as we add new functionality, right, to our class, the objects that are created or based on that class, right, instantiated using that class, we'll get those methods, right? So let's add one more, okay? Bark, okay, bark, okay, and we'll just say here echo our dog just barked, okay. Our dog just barked. Now notice, I'm not giving the name of the dog yet. I'm going to show you a little bit about that in the next movie, okay? And so just know that we're saying our dog just barked instead of George or Fido, okay? So let me call that method right here. I'm going to say, hey, George, okay? I want you to bark, okay? And I'm on line 30. That's where I added the line. I'll go back. I'll refresh. And now our dog just barked. Okay, so this is the very simple to do. Okay, it really is. The things you need to remember are class and then the name of the class, no parentheses, and then var and then any properties, and then one or more functions. Okay. That's it, okay? Just some base information here. There's a lot more things to learn about classes, and we'll cover those in the next movie.